Today we will teach you a method by which you can understand for yourself what kind of spread the broker is taking from you. That is, you can monitor whether the broker is taking additional spreads. Also, I will show you some more important things, which will surely bring benefits for you. So you should watch this video with patience. You can learn more about this subject. So hello viewers, I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. We care a lot about spreads. We all know the spread is the gap between the bid price and the ask price. We see two prices next to the currency in the market. These are the bid price and the ask price. By looking at these two, we can easily understand what kind of spread is currently taking in any pair. But the big thing is that we can't always take care of this because we normally do a lot of analysis and use different indicators. So we don't have time to see it or we don't remember it. Moreover, there is a problem of calculating. In that case, our mind does not want to take extra pressure. I will teach you that you will get all the ideas in a blink of an eye and you will never miss anything. You can also see many more things. So keep watching today's video without skipping so that you don't miss anything. Today we will share an indicator through which you will get all this information. Already in the chart we have set up an indicator. You must see some text on the right side, and this is our desired indicator, and by looking at this indicator you will get various information. We just talked about spread, but you will get more information here. Here you will get all the information in just 1 to 5 seconds, which would take you a lot of time to find out manually. So let's look at this matter without delay. Now we are currently at the Euro GBP chart. So here we can see the current status of this pair. If we look at its bid price and ask price, we can see that there is a gap of 4. That means bid price is 36 and ask price is 40. There are some numbers before, but they are similar. That's why I didn't count them. And if we look at our indicator, it says the spread is 0.4. That's the 4-digit gap that we saw. So if we use this indicator, you don't have to calculate it manually, and we don't keep it in mind to calculate it at maximum time. But if this indicator is set up, then if you look at it, you will get an idea if this broker is taking more spread from you. Through this, you can be aware of spread. You will get an idea of what your broker is doing. Next, we move to the pair GBP USD, and we can see that there is no difference between the bid price and the ask price. Sometimes this price changes a little, but almost always remains the same. Now if we look at the indicator, then we can see that the spread is showing 0, so there is no spread in this pair. Sometimes showing 0.1 due to price changes. This way we can see these things. Also, you can see what time frame you are currently in, as it is written here H1. Now we go to another pair, and here we see the spread is 0.3 pips. So, to know the spread of different players, we do not have to do any calculations. This indicator is showing it. Also, if there is any change in the spread, it is also showing here. As I said, with the help of this indicator you can know many things, like you can see the pips of your running entry. We took an entry to illustrate this. You can see there is written total pips. That means how many pips your entry loses or profit will show here. As we take an entry and our entry is at a loss of 0.3 pips, the market will move and the pips will also move, and it will show here. The number of dollars in profit or loss will be written in the first place. Pips will be written next to it. Normally we can look at the terminal and see our profit, which is given in dollars, but not in pips. We have to manually calculate how many pips the market has moved up or down. But this indicator will show you that instantly. Again, how many entries are running will be written here. Moreover, another big advantage is that here you can watch the trading session. I repeat, here you can see the trading session which is running or which one is closed. As you can see in this place on the screen, Sydney, Tokyo, and London, these 3 sessions are written closed and New York is open. So you can see here which session is running. Now you don't have to take the help of any other website. Again, here you can see swap paid. In this option you can see the swap. That means whether you pay the swap or not. So you can see all these things. So if such an indicator is set up in the chart, it will give you a lot of support. You will not have any trouble. I hope you understand. So how to set up this indicator? The link of this indicator will be given in the description of this video. When you click on that link, a page like this will open. Those of you who have previously downloaded the indicator from this page or watched our video must know how to download the indicator from here. Click once on the download icon on the left side, then click Yes on the page that appears. By doing this, your MT4 platform will open and your indicator will be downloaded in a folder called Market. As we have downloaded it, here is written Open. Anyway, after downloading you will come to the Navigator option, then you will see a folder named Market. In the Market folder, you will have your desired indicator. So by clicking there you can set up this indicator. Do this exactly as we have shown in the video. There is no need to worry about opening an account here. You can open an account with just an email address and a nickname. When you click on the download option on this website, a page like this will appear and you will enter the name and email address. Open the account with these. They will send the account details to your email address and then you can log in with them. We have shown the topic in short. I hope you can understand by watching the video. Then this was today's video. I hope you understand the importance of this indicator. If you want, you can use this indicator for free. If you like the video, then please comment, or if you need any indicator or any analysis or any help, then comment us. Forex BD is always with you.